So now that we have our revive system pretty much good to go and in place, I want to work on this whole message dealio that pops up saying default message. So I don't want to have any prompt to be, used unless the player is dead. Or sorry, not dead, downed. So here in our zombie pawn in the interact interface, we have a get interaction message function. So in our case, I basically want to kind of mimic what we're doing in can interact, where if the player is downed, we do one thing, and then if not, we do another thing. So we want to override the get interaction message. So in this case, we can copy this logic here from can interact, and we don't want to return anything per se, but we do want to construct, a interaction message basically. So if we do not have if actually I need to add that back in. So basically, if this is true, we want to output a certain message. Otherwise, we want to return a empty string. So this here will be, our custom revive me message. So let me go ahead and actually see what those messages are really quick. Okay, so the message is a simple press and hold F to revive player. So we want to go to our core module to define it. So core module.h. And here we have, barricade interaction, so on and so forth. We can just copy and paste one of them. And this will be the get player revive interaction message. And in our case, it takes in no parameters. So what we can do is just copy and paste. Now, there is something we can do in addition, and this is more of an optional thing, but if we want to print out, say, the player name, we can do that right here. So when we call this function, we just pass in the name of the pawn, or sorry, not the name of the pawn, but the pawn. And from there, we can grab the player state, or honestly, just pass in the player state and get their actual, name. So that way you can print out, say, their Steam name, their Epic name, whatever you might want to do. So that'll tell you exactly who you're interacting with. So let's fix up the comment just for consistency. And if this is true, we want to return the, what was the function? Get player revive interaction message, like so. So now we can close out of the editor, recompile, and relaunch, and we should be good to go. Okay, so once we are back in the editor, let's give it a try. So we have no interaction message, and then once, the player goes down, we get the press and hold F to revive player. So we hold that down until complete, and then the message goes away. So let's try it the other way around. So client sees it, go ahead and do the revive, and it goes away again. Okay, so that is pretty much, for the most part, our revive system kind of in place. We still need to do the reward and also the transition to the, the downed animation and all of that. But I have yet to make said animation, so we'll just have to see. Anyhow, that's going to be all for this video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.